What's up, everybody, and welcome one more time here to my channel. I'm Crypto B, and you are my friend on my crypto show. And today you are in for a treat. I have 3 gaming tokens that I believe exponentially can give you very nice gains in the peak of the bull market. Of course, this is not set on stone, and we never really know, apart from speculation, what a cryptocurrency can do. But I really like those projects. I'm skinny the game. I do own some of the coins that I speak here on the channel, but those gaming coins, I believe to have a very strong potential, because I believe that one of the strongest narrative in the upcoming cycle will be gaming, and some very strong potential projects can do very well. And I believe those 3 projects can do very well on the upcoming cycle. But with no further ado, let's go the intro and let's get to the video. 1,000 to 100,000. Is that possible? Well, if it's possible, only in crypto. And my first token, it will be games for a living. So I came here first, of course, to token metrics. You guys know that I use token metrics. There is a Black Friday discount. There's a description here on the link of this video where you guys can get the token metric as well, and use the same tool that I use to research for hidden gems and for cryptocurrencies like this, where you can get all the information plus analytics, data, API, chatbot, AI. There's an AI experience here in the token metrics that I believe will help you very, very much. So there is an affiliate link here on the description of the video. Of course, if you use that link, you help the channel as well. Yeah, so here we go. Games for a living. It's a strong buy at the moment in a trader grade of 92.10%. Wow. So it's very bullish for people trading, which at the moment, I don't encourage nobody to trade because the market is very volatile. For me, this huge pullback that we are having right now, for me, it's time of accumulation tokens that you believe to have exponentially gains in the future, okay? Especially on the peak of the bull market. So if we go here to the investor tab and would like to go to the fundamentals, these investments reports aims to provide an analysis of the fundamentals of the crypto asset games for a living. By evaluating various metrics and factors, we seek to gain insight into the potential investment opportunities related to these assets. And of course, it's always good to remember that anything that I say here is not to be considered financial advice. I'm just a guy here on YouTube, an entertainer, a crypto enthusiast who love crypto and shares with you the things that I do. All right, so community based on the available data, games for a living does not currently show significant community engagement. The website visits, Twitter follows, and YouTube views indicate a lack of significant interest from the large community, with all metrics being at 0. That's a little bit concerning. So let's go into the tweet and have a look there. Team and investor. The game for a living employs a team of 44 people, which portray relative substantial workforce. However, will only at 37.8 percentile ranking. It indicates that the team size may not be adequately aligned with the project's requirements. Further research into the team experience and background would be necessary to evaluate the ability to drive the project forward successfully. The report does not provide information about the project investors, which could potentially impact this funding and potential growth. What about the tokenomic? The circulating supply of game for a living stands at 10%, which position it in the 30.0 percentile range. This suggests that a relatively small portion of the token is currently in circulation. Potential impact marks dynamic and liquidity. So the liquidity ratio for game for a living is 2%, failing below the ideal range of 5 to 50%. This low ratio implies limited liquidity within the assets, which may present challenge for investors looking to enter or exit position efficiently. With a score of 0%, it indicates a need for improvements in this area. The asset is listed on Maxi exchange, scoring a 4% in terms of exchange. This indicates that it has a relative low exposure and limited availability on trading platforms. The trading volume for Game for a Living is around 600K, putting it at 30% range, while it shows some level of market activity. It's not a level of signify wide market acceptance or high demand. Competition, no specific information is provided regarding direct competitors or the overall competitive landscape of Game for a Living. Further research into the area would be necessary to evaluate potential risk and opportunity. Volatile in performance. The sorting ratio, a measure of risk-adjusted return for Game of Living, stands at 4.21, placing it at 100% percentile. This indicates relatively strong performance in the term of risk management and return generation. So the conclusion, based on the fundamental metrics analysis, Games for a Living receive a fundamental grade of 42.9%, which is quite low. The lack of community engagement, low liquidity ratio, and limited exchange exposure raise concerns about the asset potential for growth and market adoption. Investors should consider performing further due diligence, particularly investigating the team's capability, investors backing, competitive landscape, and overall market demands. The strong social ratio suggests relative stability in terms of risk management and performance, but other factors need careful consideration before making a investment decision. Here I'm on the Twitter, here on the X, is about 54K. There is a consider 13K engagement here, company monthly report. So they are reporting. I would put this coin here, guys, in a I'm showing you guys. I would put this coin here in a high risk. Okay, but again, high risk, high reward. Let's see if they have a prediction for the price. So if we go here to the scenario analysis, if we double the global market cap for the upcoming cycle and we stay at zero, no, we cannot stay over here. So I would say this coin's going to around 37 cents potentially, between let's put about 37 and $1. 37 and 1.25. So let me go here to see what a 20x would do. Because it's a high risk, okay, because this coin is a high risk, I would say, let's put one, how much is it? It's 125. So let's put 125 to see. That is actually, I think that might be possible. Again, a financial advice. Now the token is at 3 cents, okay? And in order to be 36x from now, so 36x from now, would put the coins at $1.25 and the market cap of $2 billion. But, so this is if we double the global market cap, which probably will happen. Some people are saying that we might even do $10 trillion. If that's the case, and then I would see this token around $2, $2.50. Let's put $2.50 to see. That would put this token, Game for a Living, with $2.50 per coin, and that it is a upside of 73x. Is that what's going to happen? Well, I don't know. Because I'm not an oracle, I cannot see the future. But again, high risk, high reward. This project, I know that one of the person behind this project is a guy. One of the guys is connected to the EA Sport game, so it's involved with gaming. So I have high hopes for the project, right? Of course, don't go and put all in your capitals into projects like this. Make sure that you risk management. Make sure you only invest money you are willing to lose. But I see these projects a high risk, high reward. As you can see here at the moment, investor mode is neutral. Not to sell, not to buy. So if you're holding, just hold. In a trade mode, is strong buy. So people for trading, people are doing very well with this token. But I am more invested than a trader. I'm starting learning trading now. So I don't really trade that much. I am more an investor for the long term of crypto. Okay, that's what I believe that will make you wealth. That's what I believe that will make us rich. in crypto within cryptocurrency is long-term investment. Okay, I think trading is just for you to get money if you're a good trader, to make money and then use that money to invest for the long term. That's what I think. And our next token will be Gala. Gala Games. Guys, I like Gala Games. Before, I was a little bit concerned, and actually, I was going within the FUD of Gala Games. I was going with the FUD because the co-owners or the owners, the founders, they were suing each other. But total supply and circulation supply, it's all out. There will be no more inflation. So I really, really have high hopes for Gala, and I think Gala might potentially do very well. In a trade mode, it's 81% here as well, very bullish, and on the long-term investments at neutral. So I do hold Gala. I think Gala potentially can do between 150 to 100x. If you will, I don't know, but potentially can do that. Remember, the all-time high for Gala was 82 cents. 82 cents from where we are now. That's crazy, right? 82 cents. Let me even put it here. Gala. That's so if it goes back to the all-time high, it's 33x from where we are today. Just going back to the all-time high. But I have higher hopes for Gala. Again, of course, not financial advice. If we go to the fundamentals here, Gala is a crypto asset with several promising fundamental metrics. Gala has garnered significant community interest with a high website visit count of 707, ranking in the 8th percentile. This demonstrates strong engagement and suggests a level of interest in the project. Additionally, Gala has accumulated an impressive Twitter follow of 925,000, ranking at 100%, right? So these metrics indicate a robust and active community surrounding the asset. Teams and investors. The Gala project boasts a sizable team of 369 employees, placing at 59.1 percentile. A team of this scale suggests a well-resourced venture with the potential for efficient execution. Gala has attracted notable investors such as Binance Lab, Bruce Lee Capital, Capture Alpha, and Ignite Group from Hong Kong, further indicating confidence in the project. The investor score is 71%, highlights strong support from reputable backers. The tokenomics. Gala liquidity ratio stands at 130%, significantly exceeding the ideal range of 5 to 50%. It's at 130. This indicates a very high liquidity, which can be favorable for investors seeking to sell their holdings quickly. However, the excessive liquidity ratio score, it is deviates from the optimal range. The token's trading volume reached 810 million, placing it at 100% percentile. This is a positive indicator as it suggests active trading and market interest. Volatility and performance. Based on the sorting duration of 0.17, Gala's performance indicates a moderate level of risk adjustment return, ranking at 4th percentile. This score suggests a relatively stable investment option compared to other crypto assets. The conclusion is that Gala presents a compelling investment opportunity with several positive fundamental metrics. The asset's strong community engaged, reputable investors, sizable team, and a solid trading volume contributed to its attractiveness. However, the excessive liquidity ratio deviates from the ideal range, which must be taken in consideration. Based on the data point provided, Gala achieved a tokenmetric fundamental grade of 69%, which is good. So if we go here on the these are the websites. Let's go to the Twitter over here. The Twitter of Gala is at 463k, strong volume, a lot of engagement. They're creating a lot of new games. I really like. I'm skinny the game. I like Gala a lot. Potentially, let's go to the analyst scenario that I would say in a bearish move, Gala would go back to 85 cents. So the all-time high was 82. I would think that Gala would go closer to the 85 cents. Okay, in a bearish scenario. In a bullish scenario, I would say Gala would do around 170. Okay, that would put Gala is about 69x from now. Okay, 69x from now. That means the Gala market cap would be around $47.6 billion with the token going at 170. Could that Gala do 100x? Let's see if this, there would be for 100x, 101x upside. Gala would have to have a market cap of $69.9 billion, and per token would be around $2.50 per token. Remember, the market cap right now it's 684 million. All right, with the total supply, everything out. That's one of the things that I really like about Gala. That all the tokens are out, so no more inflation. These are the tokens they have. I really like Gala, guys. I would put Gala around that. I believe that would be fair, around 69x. Let's put a little bit lower. Let's make a 50x. A 50x would be around $1.30. It's exactly what we said, right? 170. But I think let's be conservative, be safe, and put Gala at 130. That would be 52x from now. Bear in mind that Gala is at 2 cents. That's a 52x from now, guys. That's the market cap would be 36.4 billion. I think it's possible. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but I think it's possible. And our last but not least token that I believe have a strong potential for the upcoming cycle is. But before that, of course, if it's your first time here, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and become part of the family. Help me to grow my community, and of course, encourage me, inspire me to create more and more contents like this just for you. Immutable X. I like this token. I think this token have potential to go higher, but let's see what token metrics think over here. So at the moment, the trading grade is at 72, but the investor grade is at 62, which is great. So let's go into the fundamentals of this project. What about community? Immutable X online presence shows limited engagement. The website visit, Twitter follows, and YouTube views are all at 0. This indicates a lack of awareness and engagement from the community. The team and investors, Immutable X has a team of 326 employees, which indicates a relatively large workforce. This could be a positive sign as a well-staffed team can be facilitated development and provide adequate support. Additionally, Immutable X has attracted notable investors, including Digital, US, Sora Ventures, Nirvana Capital, Blockchain, and Continuous Capital. The investors score 100% suggests strong confidence from these investors. What about the tokenomic? The circulating supply of Immutable X is at 60%, which indicates a significant proportion of token in circulation. This can potentially limit price manipulation and promote a more stable market. That's very good. The liquidity ratio is at 46%, falling within the ideal range of 5 to 50%. This suggests a healthy liquidity profile, scoring at 10%. Competition. An assessment of Immutable X competitors is needed to evaluate its position in the market. However, there is a limited information available in the report. Volatile and performance. Immutable X trading volume stand at 295 million, indicates a relatively high level of market activities. This demonstrates some levels of interest and liquidity in the asset. The sorting ratio, which measure risk-adjusted return, is a 0.19, suggesting a lower returns compared to the risk taking. The average daily returns are at 0%, indicating relatively stable but unimpressive performance. So the conclusion is, based on the fundamental metrics analysis, Immutable X received token metrics fundamental grade of 64%. The lack of community engagement and limited online presence are areas of concern. However, the team size and notable investors provide some reassurance. The healthy liquidity ratio and trading volume shows potential for market interest. Further evaluation of competition and additional metrics would be necessary for a more comprehensive invest and assess. Overall, I really like Immutable X. Like I said before, I'm skinny the game. I think they're gonna do good on the next run. Let's go to the Twitter over here. Immutable X is the leading platform for building Web3 games on Ethereum, powering the next generation of Web3 games. I like here, there a lot of engagement, as you guys can see here. I like, guys. I think they're gonna do good on the next marked, not financial device, of course. So let's check for price prediction for this token. Let's go into the scenario analyst. Potentially, if it does well, in a bearish case, we would say around $4, $4.97 to $8, to $8.29. In a bearish scenario, okay? 4 to 89 to 8.29. And in a bullish scenario, we are talking $16.58 to 41.46. 41.46. Wow, that's good. That's good. In putting counter, the price now is $1, 1.14. Guys, remember that those tokens, they can really skyrocket. And I can even see price here between 248 to 829 in a very bullish scenario. As you can see here, 248 to 829. This is a very bullish scenario. What would that be? Let's just check here. 41. I think it's possible, guys. You know what? I think $41 is not a crazy assessment. 41.46, 41.46. That would put an upside from now of 35x, and the market cap about $51.9 billion. I think it's very possible. In fact, now I became even more bullish because I think that is possible for this sort of project. If it does very well, $51, it's very possible. What about 50x? How much would that be? Well, that would put the token 52x from now. That's a $76.4 billion. That would put this token around $60 per coin. Guys, if we do go $60 with 50x, $60, remember that you heard this here first. I'm not sure that this is what's gonna happen, but like I said before, $41, I could see that. I could see that. Imagine if it does a run like Axie Infinity, we can even see a double that. We can see $82. If it does like a extremely super bullish scenario, around $80. And remember, it's $1 today. So I am very bullish about Immutable X. Let me see over here. Let's see the website. The future of game awaits. Design games. I really like, guys. I think they are building something very nice here, guys. Look how many games. Very nice. I super like. Build your NFT projects with easy. Explore trading collection. Join the Immutable X community by AMX today. I like this project a lot. Leave in the comments here if you'd like me to go to do a review on the Immutable X alone, only on this project, like I do on other tokens. Maybe I can do one video only on Immutable X if I have comments here on this video below, and then maybe I will dive deep on this project first to really understand what's going on here and what they have. But I'm bullish, like I said before. I don't hold many tokens, but I do hold some tokens on Immutable X. I think they will do good. Well, that's what I believe it will happen. Of course, only invest the money that you are willing to lose. I'm not your financial advice. And again, if you like this content, if you believe this video is valuable for you, if you like the content, only one thing that I ask you, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and become part of the family, because like this, you help the YouTube to understand that you like the channel, and the YouTube will help me to spread the channel more, and you will help me to make my channel bullish, very bullish for the next cycle as well. So thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on another video, or maybe I will catch you on another stream.